In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change your currency in your Airbnb account or in your Airbnb application. So the first step that I want you to do is to head inside the application and then find the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. So once we click this, you will see this interface. In this interface, I want you to focus on finding the payments and methods. And obviously, it is in the third tab of this section. So click it and then focus on the top right corner of the screen, where you will see the icon or the symbol that is currently being used of your application on your Airbnb account. So just click this. And then here you can finally choose your currency that you want to apply or use for your account. So for example, I'd like to use Swiss or francs. So head back to your Airbnb home interface and just reload this. And as you can see, it just switched or changed the currency in your application. And that's how you can change your currency on Airbnb. And thank you for listening.